What if one hidden pipeline leak could shut down your factory overnight? A single unnoticed leak can waste thousands of liters of water, damage expensive equipment, stop production, and cost your business lakhs. Manual inspections can't monitor your plant every second. By the time someone notices a problem, the damage is already done. Water is wasted, machines fail, production stops, and repair costs keep increasing. That's why businesses choose FlowNexus. Its mission is simple: save money, save time, and prevent small problems before they become expensive disasters. It continuously monitors every pipeline in real time, detects leaks early, sends instant mobile alerts, and reduces maintenance costs. FlowNexus automates reporting, improves decision-making with historical data, and lets you monitor your entire facility from anywhere in the world. Instead of reacting to failures, FlowNexus helps you prevent them. Imagine managing 100 pipelines. Without FlowNexus, a small leak can become a costly shutdown. With FlowNexus, sensors monitor every pipeline around the clock, instantly alert your team, and help prevent water loss, downtime, and expensive repairs. Why spend lakhs fixing emergencies when you can prevent them for a fraction of the cost? FlowNexus delivers enterprise-grade monitoring at an affordable price that helps your business save far more than it spends. Don't wait for a small leak to become a major disaster. Protect your operations, save water, and cut costs with FlowNexus. Visit www.flownexus.work today to book your free demo.